In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So all you want to do is firstly, swipe down. You want to head on over to your control panel. You're going to see a lot of different settings, but at the very top right, you're going to see the little wheel icon, which brings you to your overall settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down until you find general management. It's right above accessibility. From here, you're going to see a lot of different options, but towards the very bottom, you are going to see reset. You press reset, and now it's going to give you a lot of different options, like you can back up your data temporarily or externally, or you can reset your settings, your mobile network settings, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and accessibility settings. But at the very bottom, you're going to see factory data reset. Click on that, and it's basically going to show you all the apps that are going to be uninstalled. So obviously the more you have, the more it's going to show right here. So just make sure before you factory reset your phone, make sure that there aren't any files, like, anything sensitive that's on your phone that you don't have backed up somewhere else, and make sure you have all the passwords and login details for all your apps. Then all you have to do is at the very bottom, you're going to see reset as the blue button, and that's it.